Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Got the X5 on the lift for the last week or so. Got a lot of work to do on the suspension for the MOT. It failed in spectacular fashion. All tyres, there's an oil leak underneath, believe it or not, and the bushings on the rear suspension. So I'll just quickly show you. So I've done quite a bit already, done a bit of tidying up. So essentially it failed on these bushings under here. And these two control arms. The tyres, which annoyingly have quite good tread still, but they've cracked in the sun, which is apparently a common issue with the climate change. And there's an oil leak under there, which I won't bother showing you. But you might well ask, well, if that's the Porsche and that's the BMW, where is the Land Rover? So I shall show you. Okay. So. Aha! Here it is. Let me see if I can find a light in here. I believe it's that one there. Yes. So here is the Land Rover, and I've moved it into the other part here. Hang on a minute. I've moved it into this part of the barn because obviously it doesn't all fit in my part. So I've got this down here for 2 or 3 weeks. But the reason I'm not doing much content on this at the moment is because, well, it's down to time, really. It needs an MOT, like all of my cars do, the Porsche, the Land Rover, and the BMW. But this just doesn't have much priority, really, because I don't use it as a daily driver. But the issues that you've seen with it already on the other videos, I've got to still mend the jet on the wash wipe here. Although last time they didn't really test that. And I've also got a leaky wheel cylinder, front right. So those are all new from the restoration. I say new in inverted commas. I bought them, crikey, 2016. But anyway, not very many miles on them, and they're just going one by one. So you'll remember from the last videos, I had one go that side, now this side. And it's just a matter of short amount of time before they all go. Yeah, that's the update with the Land Rover. So it started really, really well. I have it on a trickle charge up in the other part of the garage, and it just started really well last time. So it is running beautifully. But yeah, no time at all to do any work on it, unfortunately, because it's beautiful weather outside. And it would be perfect to be driving it around, but you know, you can't have everything. So that is an update on the Land Rover. Not much has changed. So I appreciate a lot of you have subscribed for the content on the Land Rover. And you know, I do appreciate your patience, but I will get back to it. There will be more and ongoing content on the Land Rover. There's always something to do. And in fact, there's a lot to do on it to get the MOT. So I've already bought the parts, as you might remember, from the UK for the front brakes, and they're on the shelf in there. I'll show you those in a minute. So it's really just getting the BMW done so I can use that as a daily again. And I have been doing a big push on the Porsche recently because I've had a bit of time off work. I've just been doing videos, editing videos. That's the second biggest issue, is finding the time to work on the car. And even when you do find the time to work on the car, to edit the videos. So appreciate your patience. Do bear with me. The Land Rover will be back on the channel. And I look forward to doing that work because I miss working on it as well. Okay, so as I said, these are the 11-inch drums for the front axle, and I've got everything I need to do that job. It's just literally getting around to doing it. I'll see you soon.